Hi guys, I'm Samantha.
I'm Arnold
And welcome to Weekend Brain.
If you haven't watched our previous episode, we had some 3 eye-opening conversations.
If you're watching this episode, the aliens didn't come down.
Or they are watching it with you.
Yeah.
So, if you haven't watched that, please go ahead and watch that episode. Rot your brain a little bit because why should only we have these shitty thoughts? You all should also have them. Today's episode is our game episode, which is called
Anadi Khiladi.
So we have a few questions related to space. And we have to say if it's a fact or a myth. Hips before lips. So I'll go first. Question number 1. Fact or myth? Jupiter has more than 80 moons.
Fact?
True. As of now, 95 confirmed moons. So it could be more. 95 moons.
You think if you're on Jupiter and you look up, it looks like the Queen's necklace?
Marine Drive? Yeah. हमारे पास तो इधर ही है. I am more curious of if you're on one of Jupiter's moons and you're seeing such a big Jupiter. Like imagine that.
Yeah.
That would be so cool. That's a cool sight.
Are you ready?
Born.
There's a planet made entirely of diamonds.
Technically, diamonds are just
Man's best friend.
charcoal.
No, that's a dog.
Yeah. I would love a planet fully made of dogs. So cool.
Yeah. But are they fused into each other and not alive? Then I don't want to be on
weird.
that. That's just
You
like...
just had to ruin everything nice, right? I just had such a nice fluffy image in my head. Thanks. I would say yes.
Yes, you are right. It's called the 55 Canceri E.
It's like because when you see it, you're like, E.
Yeah, because it's like...
All right. Question number 2. The sun is actually yellow. True or false?
I think it's a myth.
It is a myth, but it is actually the Earth's atmosphere that makes it look yellow. It's actually white.
The Great Wall of China is visible from space with the naked eye.
I think that is a false.
That is right. This had also come... This is wrong. This had also come in our previous one.
I
where
think
you
so,
asked.
yeah. Is there any like...
No, it's not. You need magnification
magnification to see it. Okay, cool. Question number 3. True or false? Astronauts grow taller in space.
Yes, true.
When you're going? It is true. It's a fact. Spinal decompression makes them up to 2 inches taller.
Yeah.
Your gravity is not working. It's magic, I guess. Or in short people's case, black magic.
What is with you and relating short people and black magic together?
What are you talking about? Voodoo. Sorry, you have
That's a good one. That's a good one. NASA once accidentally taped over the original moon landing footage.
I think this is true.
You sure?
Yes.
It is a fact. That is true.
Did we watch it in that Fly Me to the Moon movie?
Yeah, I think.
Something like that.
Yeah.
It is a true. Question number 4. Venus spins in the opposite direction to most planets.
Interesting. I think it's a myth.
It is a fact, my friend. When I read the question, I first thought they were talking about revolving, but it's not revolving, it's spinning. So I'm guessing the rotation is in the opposite direction, which I also didn't know, to be honest. So
that's why they say women are from Venus.
I didn't say it. She said it. Ask me. Question number 4.
Black holes suck everything around them like a vacuum.
So many jokes right now.
Same.
So many jokes right now. But that is a false. It's a myth.
Yeah. They attract like gravity.
Yes.
But only if you get too close.
Yes. Question number 5. What does UFO stand for?
Unidentified flying object.
Correct. The question was myth or fact that the UFO stands for unidentified flying object and not alien spaceship.
Yeah, fuck, I didn't even notice that. I was like, why is he asking me full form?
Yeah, it obviously stands for unidentified flying object. So technically, if you throw a ball or you throw something in the air and people don't know what it is, it's a UFO.
Yeah. 5th, aliens helped build the pyramid.
It's obviously a a myth.
Yeah.
It's like, duh. But I would not completely disregard that.
But there was someone else who said, like, are you trying to say, like, we didn't have intelligent civilization, that we weren't that advanced at that
we
point?
don't have it now also.
But that point, maybe we were. Like, someone was like, you think, like, people couldn't be more intelligent than you? How pompous do you have to be to think that? Which sort of made sense, because we are also pompous people who think there's probably no life outside. Or we are
Outside
so
Earth.
pompous that we think that we can shoot out aliens from the sky.
But also physically, those boulders, putting them together and then to that height is, you need some help.
Divine intervention.
Yes. Fact or myth? If you shout in space, someone nearby could hear you.
No.
Why?
Because voice doesn't travel the way it does in space.
A vacuum. So Dyson should not make sound technically, but it is making sound.
Technically, if you make sound in a vacuum, in the Dyson,
so
no one
if I
will
go
be able to hear you. Yeah.
Kachra idhar hai.
Yeah. No one will be able to hear you.
Yes, okay.
Because it gets sucked in the black hole.
Alright.
Me.
You, yes.
There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth.
True.
Again, this had already come before.
Yes, I read this
This
somewhere.
is cheating. ये इसको question paper already मिल गया था.
Leak हो गया था ये question paper. जैसे कि 3i Atlas अभी leak हो रहा है.
What?
वो leak हो रहा है अपने solar system में से leak होके अपने solar system में आ रहा है. वो leak हो गया वो.
Jesus.
But it's true यार.
He's coming to ask for sugar or salt, dude.
Okay. Aliens are legally recognized in the US under a specific law. True or false?
I feel like a lot of weird things happen in the US. So I think this is a fact.
It is a false. It's a myth. The extraterrestrial law, which is known as, it's a hoax.
Okay.
Well, as of what we know now.
Yeah.
कुछ भी हो सकता है.
And as of what they've allowed people to know. This could actually...
Exactly. But for the of this game, she doesn't get the point.
See, 2 answers were already there here that he's already got. They were easy. So, like, and 2 answers I lost. Like, this is unfair.
It's okay.
You would instantly freeze in space without a suit.
Oh, false.
Yes, it's a myth. You would suffocate first before freezing.
But then you would eventually freeze.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Question number 8. A day on Venus is longer than its year.
I don't know. If I have to guess, I think
false.
It's a fact.
It is a fact, my friend. So Venus revolves quicker than it rotates. So its year is much quicker around the sun and it rotates very slowly for, I didn't know this, but it rotates 243 days on Earth is equal to 1 day on Venus.
Like, imagine for them, a new year is like how we have days, and then a new day is like a new year for them.
They are in the upside down world.
Yeah, literally.
That's why
Stranger
they say,
Things. Women are Venus.
What? I didn't mean that. What? Really? They say that or what? I didn't know.
Upside down is also Gillette Venus.
Ha. You're the fire, my desire. Something that didn't even add this. They add.
Shit, I think we're giving away too much ad space to brands. Like, y'all should actually contact us now.
Yes.
Please. Come on, this is too much.
And if you're from Venus, please contact her. You have to ask me question number 8.
Mars has blue sunsets.
I think it's true.
It is a fact. It's due to fine dust scattering light differently.
Neele neele ambar par
Chand jab
jab aaye.
Shit, do you think so? Over there, you can't sing Coldplay's Yellow.
Any movie you watch as a blue film. Okay. Question number 9. The asteroid belt is packed tightly with rocks crashing into each other.
Yeah, na?
It is a myth.
Oh.
They are very far apart. Spacecrafts pass safely. So it's not something like it's like not Virar local.
Oh, correct. It's not tightly. Yeah, I thought, but they do crash into each other. Yeah, basically it's not a...
There's a lot of space.
Yeah.
It's not... It's basically...
There is a lot of space.
Basically not Virar local is what they're
Correct.
saying. जगह है spaceship के लिए आने का.
The dark side of the moon never sees
Transformers.
sunlight.
The dark side of the moon never is a myth.
Correct. It is just the far side, not always
It-
visible from Earth.
Yeah, it
That's
never
why.
sees Earth, but it sees the
Yeah.
sun. Okay, question number 10.
Yeah.
Area 51 is officially acknowledged by the US government.
Acknowledged.
Like this place exists.
I mean, Obama used to speak about it. But is it acknowledged by the government? So this place exists in like what capacity? Like the area exists?
Like,
Or like
this area exists and
things have been...
we are working on something, I guess. Or just this place exists.
If just the space exists, then I think it's a fact.
Yes, it's a fact.
It's a fact, yeah.
Yes, it's true. It was declassified in 2013. You think when Obama speaks about black holes, he just calls it holes?
Swiftly moving on. Aliens have been detected on radio signals by NASA.
False. But technically, any signal that they can't
Detect
is an alien signal.
That is true.
Neptune was discovered because of math, not direct observation.
It's so wild, I think this could be a fact.
It is a fact, my friend. Good job. It was predicted by calculations before it was actually seen.
How the fuck do you calculate something like that? It's just like beyond me.
A lot of things are beyond me, to be honest.
A lot of calculation is beyond me anyway.
Math in general is beyond
Yeah. Saturn could float in water.
I thought Saturn was a gaseous planet. So then, technically, it could float in water. Yes?
That is true. It's
Yeah.
less dense than water. Theoretically, yes.
Woo.
I thought Jupiter was a gaseous planet.
We will juggle this.
Because I remember I was asking ChatGPT like if Jupiter is a gaseous planet, technically if I do shoot something from here to Jupiter, will it go like
Through and through.
But the gases are so compacted that it won't.
Oh, it's like a cylinder.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. There are 4 planets that are gaseous planets. I knew only one of them. Neptune, Saturn, Jupiter, and the one that I knew was Uranus. It says Uranus is a gaseous planet. वो मेरे को पता था. I'm sorry, but I find it very funny that Uranus is a gaseous planet. My 5-year-old me is damn happy. Last question. The moon smells like gunpowder. True or false?
So that's strange. How can we know for sure? Actually, how did we know for sure that Neptune also was there? We did.
Calculations.
I would say myth.
Is a fact. Astronauts described moon dust with that smell after returning back to the cabin.
Again, like how it could just
Could be their interpretation.
or
of
just like the
gunpowder.
thing landing, like your spaceship landing
be
in
fuel.
space. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a sound in space if you listen with the right instruments.
I know there's no sound in space because sound can't travel through a vacuum. But if you listen with the right instruments... Rakesh Roshan told me there is sound in space. He said you can call that way. The Windows 95 computer in your dad's basement. So I will go with my Rakesh Roshan answer and say yes, with the right instruments.
Correct. Waves can be converted to sound. So basically there are waves that come through.
I know why Hrithik was in that movie. He could do the waves. But who is the real winner right now in this game is clearly me. I don't have to ask. So
Yeah.
thanks, guys.
Anyway, he cheated. He had the questions before.
Excuses.
If your brain was fried watching this and the previous episode, send it to other people also, because why should only you suffer?
So please forward this and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.